Hey guys, it's Ronnie with Happy Trailers, and today I'm at our Waco, Texas location, and behind me is a Liberty Gravity Tilt Trailer that's rated for a GVWR of 16,000 pounds. Let's go check out some of the features that make this trailer stand out. This trailer is built on an 8-inch I-beam frame. It's got a huge locking toolbox, and there's some neat little convenience features like the magnetic 7-way plug, and you got your zip breakaway cable. And of course, it's got my favorite coupler, the Demco Easy Latch. A couple of features that are worth pointing out here on the side of the trailer. You've got stake pockets, rub rail. You got a lot of D-ring tie-down points over here. In addition, for storage, you've got fork storage pockets on both sides of the trailer. Let's get into the tilt mechanism. This trailer has an 80-inch wide tilt deck, and the width between the fenders is 82 inches wide. It's a gravity hydraulically dampened tilt, so as you're driving your equipment on there, it's gonna cushion the weight coming down. And what I really like about this trailer is it's got 2 locking points underneath the trailer that hold the tilt deck down when you've got your equipment loaded. You can tow your load with confidence knowing you've got 8,000-pound Dexter oil bath axles on this trailer, and Lion's Head provides these 17.5-inch wheels and tires. They've got great warranty on their wheels and tires. Check out these Liberty trailers at our Waco, Texas location, or you can shop online at happytrailers.com. You'll be happy you did.